Hello everyone, welcome to Electric Power Syrup YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing or introducing the PSSE Graphical User Interface. Let's get started. If you have watched the previous video where I show how to install PSSE, you can launch the PSSE through two ways, either through desktop icon if you have already selected that option while installation. If not, you can search through your run options. You can press your Windows key and search for PSSE and then launch your PSSE. Within PSSE, there are different areas useful. I'll start from the top. The top is the menu bar where you can see different menu options for file, power flow, short circuit, and many other functionality. The focus of different YouTube videos and tutorials as we make progress would be to filter out some of these options. It does have a lot of features and buttons and options, but my idea is to help you focus on certain functions and menu options to get you started with this tool. So this is your menu bar. The next three segments, these three lines, is your toolbar, where basically you have some shortcuts to execute similar functionality that you can even do it through menu options. And I will highlight some of these buttons where it will be useful and how to use them effectively as we make progress. This is the Explorer area, and then this gray area is your data area. I'll just quickly load a file to show how the data will look like. As you can see, you will have all the different components visible here, which are part of your network or system data. The buses, your generators, loads, transmission lines, transformers, all the information will be here in the data area, and you can modify the data from this cells directly here. The next important area is this output area. Here you will see different output as you perform different functions. For example, when you do power flow, you will see the data convergence information. If you are doing dynamics, you will see respective information. So you should always keep an eye on the output area to see the result of the actions you are performing. So, and one quick note to before I close this quick introduction video, just to recap, this is your menu bar. This will be your toolbar area. You have Explorer, mainly useful in dynamic studies. Particularly this plot tree section. We'll cover more when we do the dynamics video. The network or data area, and then your output area. And file menu is where you will use most of the time to open the existing case, to load your case file and single line diagrams and other things, or even to save your case studies in different applications. So this is a short video just to introduce and get you familiar with how this PSSE interface looks like. I will try to make bunch of videos but which are shorter so that it's easy to watch and learn, and also time effective. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I will cover how to perform a load flow analysis given that you already have a case data and file. Please like, subscribe, and share to stay tuned with up-to-date videos and information. And if you do have any feedback, please let me know through comments, and I will share the link of the materials I will use for these YouTube videos in the YouTube video description. So keep an eye out there and take care. I'll see you soon. Thank you.